Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English Way, the place where English feels easy, natural, and fun.
Hi guys, I'm Maya, and as always, I'm here with my good friend, Alex.
Today we're talking about something simple but important, daily routines.
That's right. From the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed, your day is full of small actions.
And those small actions are perfect for learning English.
Exactly. You can talk about your day, describe your habits, and use English in real life, step by step.
So, let's get started and explore a day full of easy English.
Episode 1: A Peaceful Morning. My mornings usually start early. When my alarm rings, I don't hit snooze, well, not always. I open my eyes slowly, stretch my arms, and take a deep breath. I like to smile and think, it's a new day.
That's a great way to start the day, Maya. For me, mornings are calm and quiet. I make my bed right away because it makes me feel organized. Then I walk to the kitchen and drink a big glass of water. It wakes me up completely.
I love that. After that, I go to the bathroom, wash my face, and brush my teeth. The cold water helps me feel fresh. Then I open the window and let the sunlight in. It's like my room says good morning to me.
I usually turn on some soft music. It helps me stay relaxed while I prepare my breakfast. Sometimes it's just toast and tea. I like to sit at the table, eat slowly, and think about the things I want to do that day.
That sounds so peaceful. I usually drink coffee and write in my journal for a few minutes. I write down my goals or something positive to start the day with a good mindset.
That's such a nice habit. I sometimes read short English articles in the morning. It helps my brain wake up and keeps my English skills sharp.
Oh, that's a great idea. Even reading for 5 minutes can make a big difference. It's like giving your mind a little exercise before the day begins.
Exactly. Then I get dressed and make sure my bag is ready if I need to go out. I like to check the weather and plan what I'll wear.
Same here. I also make sure my phone and headphones are ready because I love listening to English podcasts while I walk or travel.
Nice. That's one of the best ways to learn English naturally, listening during your routine.
Yes, it's easy and relaxing. By the time my morning routine is done, I already feel calm, focused, and ready to start my day.
Same here. A peaceful morning sets the tone for everything that comes after. Episode 2: Work, Study, and Evening Moments. Welcome back to Easy English Way. I'm Alex.
And I'm Maya. Today, we're moving forward with the rest of the day, what happens after we leave home. It's all about work, study, and evening routines.
Exactly. Everyone's day looks a little different, but we all have our own rhythm, the little habits that keep us going.
Yes, and we'll help you describe them in simple English that you can use every day.
So, Maya, what do you usually do after breakfast?
Well, after finishing my coffee, I grab my bag and head out. I usually take the bus to work, and during the ride, I like listening to English podcasts or music. It's my quiet time to prepare for the day.
That's such a good idea. I often do the same. Sometimes I listen to audiobooks or just look out the window and think about what I need to do. It's a good time to relax before things get busy.
True. When I arrive at work, I greet my coworkers and check my emails. Then I make a list of tasks for the day.
You sound very organized, Maya. I also like to make a small list. It helps me focus and not forget important things.
How about your work routine, Alex? What's a typical day like for you?
I usually start with a meeting in the morning. We talk about what needs to be done and who's doing what. Then I spend a few hours writing, editing, or preparing lessons for my students.
That sounds productive. I work in an office, so my mornings are full of emails, phone calls, and reports. Sometimes it's busy, but I like the feeling of being active.
Yeah, being busy makes the day go faster. But I always try to take small breaks, stand up, stretch, or grab a drink of water. It really helps me stay focused.
Absolutely. I do that too. I think a short walk or even looking away from your screen for a few minutes can refresh your mind.
What do you usually do for lunch?
I like to have lunch with my coworkers. We talk about funny things, share stories, and just relax. It's a nice break in the middle of the day.
That sounds fun. I sometimes eat alone, but I don't mind. I like the quiet. I usually eat something light like rice and vegetables or a sandwich.
After lunch, I get a bit sleepy. That's when I need another coffee. Then I finish my afternoon tasks before heading home.
Yeah, that post-lunch tiredness is real. I usually listen to upbeat music to stay awake.
So, when your workday ends, what happens next?
When I leave work, I try to disconnect. I don't check my phone too much. I walk home if the weather's nice. Walking helps me clear my mind after a long day.
That's great. I usually take the bus back, and I love watching the sunset from the window. It's a calm moment that reminds me the day is almost done.
Do you cook dinner when you get home?
Yes, I do. Cooking helps me relax. I turn on some music, prepare something simple, maybe pasta or soup, and just enjoy the moment.
That sounds lovely. I like cooking too, but sometimes I order food if I'm too tired. I try to keep it healthy though.
After dinner, I usually take a shower and put on comfortable clothes. Then I spend some time studying or reading something in English.
That's a great habit. I do the same. I watch short English videos or review new words I learned during the day. It's a relaxing and productive way to end the evening.
And if I have more energy, I write a few lines in my journal, things I did, things I learned, or something I'm grateful for. It helps me reflect.
That's so nice. I sometimes just sit quietly with a cup of tea. No phone, no noise, just peace.
You know, Alex, I think having an evening routine is really important. It tells your mind, hey, it's time to rest.
Absolutely. It's like a gentle ending to a busy day, a chance to slow down and prepare for tomorrow.
And of course, it's another great time to practice English. You can say things like, I'm cooking dinner, I'm reading a book, or I'm getting ready for bed.
That's right. Learning English through daily life. That's the easy English way.
Let's give our listeners a few evening phrases they can practice.
Sure. Repeat after us. I finish work at 5. I take the bus home. I cook dinner. I read a book. I go to bed early.
Wonderful. Try using these sentences when you describe your own evening.
Exactly. The more you connect English to your real life, the faster you'll improve.
So, that's the end of our second episode about daily routines.
We've talked about mornings, work, and evenings, the rhythm of a simple day, full of chances to learn English naturally.
That's right. Every part of your day can be a classroom if you pay attention and keep practicing.
Stay with us for the closing thoughts in just a moment. Wow, that was such a nice talk about daily routines, wasn't it, Maya?
Absolutely. I love how small habits can make such a big difference, not just in life, but in learning English too.
When you describe your day in English, you're actually practicing real, useful language. It's simple, it's natural, and it's powerful.
You don't need a textbook every time, just talk about what you do. I wake up, I eat breakfast, I go to work. Those simple sentences help you think in English.
Indeed, that's how progress happens. One sentence at a time, one day at a time.
Oh, friends, we hope today's episode helped you see how English can be part of your everyday life.
Remember, your daily routine can also be your English lesson.
Keep speaking and enjoy every step of your learning journey.
Thanks for being with us here on Easy English Way.
We'll see you in the next episode, and until then, keep learning the easy way. Bye bye.